Do you have goals to become a homeowner this year? Hi, I'm Carolyn Alaverdi from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty. Suppose you're considering entering the market as a buyer. In this case, it's important to understand today's market and define your goals. This knowledge is going to help bring your home ownership vision to reality. With current inflation impacting the economy, being mindful of spending is very critical. According to Daniel Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com, and I quote, "The key to making a good decision in this challenging housing market is to be laser focused on what you need in the years ahead so that you can stay in your home long enough that buying is a sound financial decision." With that being said, here are a couple of key questions to ask yourself. Question one is, what is motivating me to buy? Your needs may have changed in your current space, or you may no longer want to rent. Second question is, what does my next home look like? Knowing your exact wants and needs will help you stay within budget and not overspend. Am I financially ready to buy? This is the most important question. You need to have a clear understanding of your budget and savings before you get too far in the process. As always, it's vital to have a team of trusted professionals that will help guide you through this process. Feel free to contact me on my team with any questions so we can help you make an informed decision in today's challenging market. Thank you so much for watching. This is Carolyn Alaverdi from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty, putting you first every step of the way.